Okay, now guys, we should check 1 unit split AC LG. Life is good. So here there is an error. See, it's 35. So see, it's 35. It's not blinking. See, it's 35. So the situation is the charge is, see, so maybe this is an error of, see, it's 35 first. Okay, so we will charge this one, then shut off the unit with 2 minutes, and then on again. We will check what is the result. So see, it's 35 LG error. Okay, here in basement 2, Century Mall, Riyadh.